Hook up a DirecTV dish. DirecTV is a cable satellite service that provides satellite TV to subscribers from the United States. Hooking up your DirecTV satellite dish is easy if you just follow instructions. You do not have to hire some workers to do the installation for you. By doing this on your own, you can save money and lessen your expenses. Follow the directions provided below so that you can start to hook up your DirecTV dish. Choose a location. Choose a location in the house where you are going to hook up the satellite dish. When you do this, make sure that you choose a location that is high enough so that you can get signals. Another thing to remember is to install it where there are no obstructions such as high houses or trees that can block the satellite from receiving signals from the tower. Mount the dish in the location. The dish comes with installation procedures. Read and understand the manual carefully so that you will know the right thing to do. Use a drill and make a small hole on the place where you are going to mount the dish. Afterward, use the bolts that came with the dish to secure it in place. Next, mount the dish's base using a socket wrench. Connect the coaxical cable to the dish. The coaxical cable should be long enough to reach your television. Secure the coaxical cable. Now you have to run the coaxical cable from the location of the dish to where your television is. This could be a bit far depending on where you position your television. As you go along, secure the coaxical cable on the edges of walls so that they won't be scattered around the house. When you reach your television, connect the end of the coaxical cable to the slot on your television. Test the signal strength of dish. Now you can plug in and turn on the television. You can have someone help you with this step. Have someone adjust the position of the dish so that you have the best reception on your television. Once you have the right position, stick with it. You can also use the remote control to look for the best signal. Follow instructions on the user's manual on how you can do this. Secure the dish in place. Secure the dish down on the location once you have the best signal to prevent movement. You can use cables or wires to secure the dish in place. Now you can watch your television with DirecTV. These are the instructions that you can follow when hooking up your DirecTV dish. Do not ever try hooking up the satellite dish when the weather is harsh. You can get electrocuted. If you want to connect several televisions to the DirecTV satellite dish, all you need to do is connect more coaxical cables and run them from the dish directly to the other television units that you have in the house.